Welcome back to the vlog, everyone. I this morning was enjoying the great outdoors, you know, enjoying the sunshine, and ended up dropping my phone and cracking the screen. You can't really tell, it's honestly not that bad. And I probably wouldn't get it fixed if it wasn't for the crack. It's like literally right on the front camera. I luckily have insurance on my phone, so Carter and I are heading up to Gahanna to get it fixed, and then probably gonna get my car washed, and yeah. Dropped off my phone. They said it's about to be like an hour and a half, 2 hours. So I went into this coffee shop right next door. Wanted matcha, didn't have it, so I got an iced chai. Not the best, but what are you gonna do? They didn't even get to have a pup cup for Nashville. So I think I'm gonna try to find Carter some ice cream and maybe get him a pup cup. But going to go to UPS, get my car washed. Carter wants to go to some like Chinese grocery store to get a side because we're having salmon tonight. Phone charger. So. Fumbling, lost all track of space and time. Must seem so fragile in our shells, and it's not so binary how we journey to ourselves. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue at the time. Draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you. And I just went to Fresh and Thyme. We got a bunch of stuff. I got the True Fruit raspberries because this is literally one of my favorite like chocolate candies. And then what snack did you get?
Potato chips.
Potato chips, classic. And I also got these coffee butter cashews. Oh my goodness, they were so good. Now we are headed back to see if my phone's done, hopefully. And so yeah, and then headed home. Phone is fixed, brand new. Now we are headed home to cook dinner. Hold my breath before I die. Like jellyfish beneath